Introducing the future-ready 2025 Seat Arona 1.0tsi 115 XP in sleek green. This hatchback is loaded with top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, cruise control, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning for a safe and luxurious driving experience. With a 1-litre engine and manual transmission, this petrol-powered beauty is built to impress. Enjoy peace of mind with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Complete with a chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails for added style and security. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you can drive with confidence. Call now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie.